In this video, we're going to evaluate a function. To do so, we're going to replace the x with a number. So notice this says evaluate f of x is equal to 30x squared plus 3x minus 2 when f of 2. So I'm going to start out by writing my new function, and I know that instead of having an x in there, right, because it's f of x, we're going to end up replacing it with a 2. And everywhere that there was an x, we are going to replace it with that value of 2. So notice at this point, I'm just going to rewrite it, what I have. So in other words, if you had seen this question on your paper, I recommend that you rewrite it out. And then once you do that, we're then going to go ahead and substitute everywhere that has an x with a value of 2. So what you're going to do is write it while replacing the x with parentheses. So notice I got 37, but instead of an x, I'm putting parentheses. Squared plus 3, and instead of an x, I'm going to put another set of parentheses, and then minus 2. Now we're just simply going to go and fill in each parenthesis with a value of 2, which is the element of the domain that we are evaluating. So I put a 2 in for that x, a 2 in for the next x that's being squared, and then a 2 in for that final x. So at this time, we can either solve this by hand using order of operations, or we can go ahead and just put it in a calculator, right? And when I say put it in a calculator, it's everything that you just see me box. What's on the right side of the equal sign. So I'm going to type it into the calculator real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 37, parenthesis, 2, close parenthesis, squared. So I'm hitting the little x squared button to get the square in there. And then plus 3, parenthesis, 2, close parenthesis, minus 2. And then I hit enter. And now I'll have my answer. So I'm going to go ahead and write the answer down right quick. Keep in mind you can do this by hand as well, but this is just to show you the process that occurs.